Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken tent zipper. First, let's diagnose the problem. Is your zipper simply stuck? Are the teeth separating, or is the slider itself damaged? Understanding the issue is the first step to a successful repair. You'll typically need a few basic items: a pair of adjustable pliers, some zipper lubricant, and possibly a small repair kit. Having these on hand can save your outdoor adventure. Often, a zipper just needs a little attention. If fabric is caught, gently pull it away while moving the slider. For stiffness, lubricate the teeth with a specialized zipper lubricant or even a bit of candle wax. If the teeth are separating after closing, the slider might be loose. Use adjustable pliers to gently squeeze the back of the slider, applying slight pressure to both sides to restore its grip. Remember, a light touch is key here. When the slider is beyond repair, replacing it is the best solution. Begin by carefully removing the sewn-in stop at one end of the zipper track using a seam ripper. Once the stop is gone, you can easily slide the old, broken slider off. Now, take your new slider and carefully guide it onto the track, making sure it's oriented correctly. After the new slider is in place and working, re-sew the zipper stop to secure it. To keep your tent zipper in top condition, always clean and lubricate it after trips, especially in sandy or dusty environments. Never force a zipper that feels stuck. Instead, check for obstructions. If a pull tab breaks, a zip tie or a piece of paracord can serve as a quick, functional replacement. For extensive damage like missing teeth, professional repair might be necessary, but these tips cover most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.